Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Google Wallet not working. To fix Google Wallet not working, start by ensuring both the Google Wallet app and Google Play services are fully updated. Open the Play Store, search for Google Wallet, tap Update, and in the top right corner, check that Auto Update is enabled. Next, clear the app cache by going to the Settings, Apps, Google Wallet, Storage, and tapping Clear Cache. If, as you continue, clear data, restart your device, or reinstall the app entirely. Third, verify your internet connection. Payments need active Wi Fi or mobile data to work reliably. Fourth, test different payment terminals, since some may not support certain cards or configurations, even if a transaction shows a checkmark. Finally, be aware of Wear OS authentication bugs and PayPal issues. Order versions required repeated PIN confirmation, and tap to pay with PayPal will be phased out in the US by June 13, 2025. Following the steps should restore smooth functionality. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.